Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 7a, in which we will learn the makharij of ta, da and ta. We are learning makharij using the letter poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Remember this. And we have learned tha, da, dha. And now we will be learning ta, da, ta. And here is a memory tip to link between the two sets. Just remove one dot from each letter and you get ta, da, ta. From tha, dha, dha, you get ta, da, ta. For the three letters, the makhraj is same for ta, da and ta. And what is that makhraj? Touch the tip of the tongue to the roots of the upper teeth. Ta, ta, ta. You know it. Similarly, da with force. Da, da, da. That is also simple. So we'll focus on the challenging ones. Before we go there, just remember to practice a and a. Can you repeat? A, 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 a. Similarly, ta, pa. Repeat. Ta, pa, ta, pa, ta, pa. Don't make your lips round. Don't change your lips shape. Watch the mirror. It should be the same for both. The only change is in the tongue. Okay, ta, pa. And also here the amazing part of the Arabic, the bulb of the ta is same as the shape of the tongue. And up to be pronounced similarly, and here you have qalqala, an extra sound that you will learn later on, but just repeat the way I say it. Up. But we'll practice that. Remember the common mistakes, don't say twa or don't say ta. It is ta. Okay, and don't make your lips round. Repeat after me. Up, 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 ta, ti, to, ta, ti, to, ta, ti, to, ta, ti, to, ton, tin, ton, ton, tin, ton, ton, tin, ton, ton, tin, ton. Let's practice words. أطعمهم, 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 أطعمهم. طيرا, 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 طيرا. والباطل, 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 والباطل. يهبط, 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 يهبط. You know, remember in English, for example, bat and bot, cat and cot. See, the difference in pronunciation changes the word altogether. Here also, ta and ta. So it is very important to distinguish between the two. Remember the TPI signs, low and thick, thick and high, very thick and high. And these three are ta, da, ta. That's it for now. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.